I see forests, and it's the 25th of December, and my old man plays the piano for Christmas. He plays the piano for Christmas. And we're all there, all the aunties and uncles and the angels on the top of the tree. Up there on the top of the tree. And I never, no, I never ever realized. And I never, no, I never ever realized. Have I enough time? Have I just some time to revisit, to go back, to return, to open my mouth again, say something different this time? I see bags of newspapers and a car in the carport, and you're a grown-up and still unsure. And I'm 30 and I don't know.
Duch partizána Platonova se zjevil v Brdech.
And I never, no, I never ever realized. And I never, no, I never ever realized. And I'm sitting at the top of the stairs, and you're crying out on the towpath by the river, with all the swans and all the people walking by. And all of a sudden, I'm struck with an urge to unlock a door with a key that's too big for my hands. And I drop it, falls at your feet. Come on, it's there at your feet. And I never, no, I never ever realized. You see, I never, no, I never ever realized. Come on, it's there at your feet. And I never, no, I never ever realized. It's there at your feet. See, I never, no, I never ever realized. Come on, it's there at your feet. And I never, no, I never ever realized. Come on, it's there at your feet. See, I never.
Sláva už je sníh, jedem na saních. Kluci křičí, zvonek zní, jenom táta stih. Kouká na syna a uši napíná. Co to slyší v rolničkách, na co vzpomíná? Rolničky, rolničky, kdo pak vám dal hlas? Kašpárek maličký, nebo děda mráz. Rolničky, rolničky, co to zvoní v nich? Maminčiny, písničky, Vánoce a sníh.